Welcome to day 12. Let's go over your daily challenge themed around release. Today, this is so simple, but one of my favorite things to do. Again, if you're in my Art of Abundance program, you already know how much of a fan I am of this. I want you to purge a minimum of 5 things from your house, okay? Ideally, you're gonna go in every room of your house and you're gonna find 5 things that are no longer serving you, that you don't like, that you've been meaning to get rid of, that you feel guilty for having, that you feel guilty for holding on to, guilty for throwing out, whatever it is. Things you've outgrown, things that are cluttering, things that you just need to let go of. And you're gonna purge. Now, it doesn't all need to go in the trash. Maybe you'll be able to upcycle it or to donate it or to give it away. But the intention and the purpose is to get really comfortable with releasing, with letting things go. For some people, this is very easy. For others, they hold a lot of attachment to physical objects and items. So maybe you're just gonna do a couple. Like I would like a minimum of 5 in your house. I'm sure you can find 5 things that you don't need to have anymore, and you don't need to start with like the biggest and hardest thing for you to let go of. You can start with something a little bit easier, declutter, clean up a little, and purge. Just let it go and see how much lighter you feel once you have gotten rid of that excess baggage and stuff. Clutter and physical items, it's not just physical, it does affect us emotionally and mentally. They are things that we end up, like, what is that expression? It's like the things you own end up owning you. We want to have a really healthy relationship with physical items, with our stuff. I want your stuff to make you feel good, to be an accurate representation of your mental health, of your physical health, your emotional health. So whatever doesn't fit in that criteria anymore, let it go, leave it, toss it. So I would love if you can as well, you can take a photo of what it is that you're letting out and share it in our Facebook group, or just leave a comment down below and let me know what you're gonna get rid of. Have fun with it, clean it out, purge it out, donate it, give it. It's no good anymore. Okay, we'll connect again tomorrow for the next challenge.